feeding Caleb. Is it cool?
It is cool. What are you feeding him?
Yogurt. Stop! Give it to me, Caleb.
Does he like it when you feed him?
Yeah.
What does he do when mommy feeds him?
He cries.
And does he cry when you feed him?
No.
How come he doesn't cry when you feed him?
Because he likes it when I feed him. Okay. I see you. I love you. Bye-bye. You want more? Okay. Caleb is not letting me have the food. So, you like it here? It's pretty cool. I cleaned up here. So if you want to come again, you can. So if it's your birthday, you can come here to your birthday if you want. Okay, I love you. Bye bye. That's all of it.